If AI slows down your coding instead of speeding it up, you're probably using the wrong tool. Or if you're tired of copy pasting from standard AI tools like ChatGPT and one AI IDE, this is for you. AI coding tools are constantly evolving as they haven't reached total maturity yet, so sometimes they might not be accurate. This makes it very important for you to choose one tool that at least matches and suits your workflow. And today's video is the clearest example of the difference between Cursor and Windsurf. So if you want to understand which tool is the best fit, stick with me throughout the video. Welcome to Plivo. The first thing we need to know is that it's less about features and more about control. We've moved from AI that helps you write code to AI that decides how code changes. Some developers want AI to suggest and wait. Others want AI to act and move. So it's up to you how you want AI to help, and once you decide, you already know which camp you're in. Cursor and Windsurf are built for opposite instincts. One is the composer specialist, the other is the agentic specialist. Cursor is for developers who don't want surprises. You describe changes in plain English, refactor this to Django model for async, and Cursor predicts edits line by line. Nothing happens unless you approve it. That sounds slower, but in large code bases, it's faster. This makes Cursor perfect for complex refactors, legacy code, or monorepos where one wrong edit breaks 5 services. Many data scientists love it because type mismatches and pipeline errors surface immediately, but control comes at a cost. Cursor expects you to think, guide, and decide. Let me put it like this. If you're the driver, Cursor feels amazing. If you aren't, it feels heavy. Now you must be thinking about Windsurf. Is that the better choice? Let's see. Windsurf doesn't wait for instructions. You don't tell it which files to edit, it scans your entire repo and decides that itself. It runs multi-step workflows, editing files, generating tests, wiring things together without constant approvals. This is where some developers fall in love while others panic. For most hackers shipping MVPs, this is gold. Not just that, its UI lowers the entry to barrier, great for onboarding teammates mid-sprint or jumping into unfamiliar code bases. But autonomy has a trade-off. When AI decides scope, you need to trust it. Then, how you decide between those tools? Let me make it simple for you. If you need a powerful copilot to help you code, choose Cursor. And if you want to be overseeing witness to the agentic AI, then Windsurf is the one for you. Believe me, knowing this can save you months of frustration. So I hope this video helped you choose your best fit. I'm curious which side you're on. Let me know in the comments below. And yes, don't forget, subscribe for more deep dives just like this.